Let Garmin show you how to troubleshoot powering on your watch. This will be necessary if your watch is frozen, won't power on, or does not appear to charge. We will be using a fēnix 8 Pro AMOLED, but the process is similar on other Garmin watches. You will also need the included charging cable. You must use this cable to charge your Garmin watch. Start by inspecting the end of the cable that connects with the watch. Ensure all 4 pins are uniform, identical in length, and clean. Confirm none of the pins are bent or missing. The charging cable will need to be replaced with another Garmin manufactured USB data or charging cable if it is damaged. Next, we will clean the cable with a soft bristle brush and rubbing alcohol. Pour the alcohol directly on the brush and not the cable. Slowly clean the cable with the brush. Let the connector dry before any further use. Next, use the soft bristled brush to clean debris away from the charging contacts on the back of the watch. Inspect the contacts after cleaning to confirm there is not any buildup. Again, it is imperative that both the charging cable and charging port are completely dry prior to connecting them. Now, connect your charging cable to the back of the watch. Connect the other end of the cable to a USB power source. The display on your watch will power on. Disconnect the cable from the back of the watch if the watch does not power on. Now, perform a reset by pressing and holding the power button for 30 seconds. Next, reconnect your charging cable to the back of the watch. The display will power on. The battery icon will display if the watch needs to charge before booting up. Keep the watch connected to a power source for at least an hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel or visit support.garmin.com.